I'm gonna show you the installation of our Mirrorlink kit for all the Uconnect 8.4 system, the Harman units and the new Panasonic from 2018 cars. It will work in most of the cars. Just check our website and you will see what models they work. We have removed the factory screen here. That's the factory cable. So that goes into the factory screen from start. We have a T-harness here. So just connect that. Gonna see here. Like that. And the other side you connect to your radio unit. And here you can see here is the aux from the car, the aux input that's in the glove box. We have connected our Mirrorlink kit to use the aux. So when this is disconnected, the aux input in your armrest will not work. If you want that to work, you just disconnect the Mirrorlink connectors, connect these. Just let me show here. Like that. Then you take these two from the Mirrorlink kit and you buy a RCA to aux cable. Like this one. It has a 3.5. Then you take that cable and you connect that aux into the glove box. Then you will have the aux working, but most people don't use the aux, so we are sending the system connected, our Mirrorlink system connected to the aux input. Like that. So here is the Mirrorlink box. It's totally plug and play. Just connect that to the radio, and when you switch, hold this, the right steering wheel button. Just let me see that one, the source, for 7 seconds, and it will switch to the Mirrorlink. You can display everything that you have on your phone, YouTube, everything like that, and you will have the sound in the car. Thank you.